Is my supper. Hi, good morning, wonderful people of the internet. My name is Caroline Kihobu, and this is Carol on the Move YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. You don't know how much I appreciate and how much you mean to me. Well, I hope your weekend was awesome. Mine was good. And especially having gone to church yesterday felt so nice. Today is on Monday, and I'm going to unbox some things with you. One, you remember me trying to bake last time. I am so devoted to learning how to bake. So I got this baking tray. It was going for 335 in Maguna supermarket. Maguna Teke, if you're in Murang'a. I got rosy tissues. I don't usually use these ones, but the ones I usually use, they were not there. I got female pads. This is strawberry essence. I'm so dedicated to baking. I'm out of lotion. I got the Spotify today. I got dark soy sauce. I've never used this brand, but I'll use it today. The other one is over. You know, thank God that you don't have a problem with any soap you use. Because of the way I was scratching myself, the doctor advised me to use Dettol. Tell me why Dettol soap is too expensive. This small pieces is 70 bob. I got two of them at 140. I'll definitely get the bigger one. Hey, the bigger one. One piece was going for 300 and something. What? Hey. I got Royco cubes. I got spaghetti. I got maziwa mala, the sweetened Brookside one. I got the Maguna sugar. And I also got the Ndovu chapati flour, all-purpose wheat flour. I don't know if I told you that for Women's Day, I was to get myself something, but I didn't have like enough cash. So what I did, I went to Madai supermarket here in Murang'a County, left a deposit of 4,000. It was going for 9,995. This is a microwave, and today I paid the rest of the arrears. Let me open it with you. This was a gift to myself for Women's Day, since none of you remembered me. Since none of you got me anything, let me like put it down here so that I can. Got the 20 liters Hisense one. It is black in color. So I don't know who is going to like put it on top of the fridge for me because I'm too short. Happy late International Women's Day to me. It feels so nice to have this. It's actually been on my vision board. It's actually the second thing on my vision board for this year. That one is a tick. And yeah, God is great. God is awesome. I think in terms of the kitchen, I'm almost done with all the things that I wanted. I think the only thing left is some more. Okay, I'll not tell you what, but I'm still left with some minor details for the kitchen, but apart from that, so far so good, and I'm liking the progress. I'll see you later. Bye. And this is going to be my brand sweet potatoes, chicken, juice. I'm going to add some ice cubes. See you later. Hi guys, I haven't talked to you the whole day. Today is on Tuesday, and here is my supper. I didn't take anything for lunch. I only took breakfast. That is sweet potatoes and mala. No, and a cup of lemon tea. Here is going to be my supper: ugali, skuma and spinach, and the leftover chicken. Actually, not leftover. The one I didn't cook. Yep. That's what I'm having for tonight. And a cup of water. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm at Delizia, Kenya. Kenya, in Moran County. They sell cakes, sweets, milkshakes, ice creams, tea scones and all that. So I'm waiting for my milkshake. It is directly opposite Mkoyo Market. Okay. It is next to Pork Center. Yep. Okay. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm also well. Today is on Wednesday. It's market day here in Mukoyo Market. But I didn't even get the market stuff. But anyway, this was my outfit of the day. I had some plain V-neck dress and flats. Anyway, I'm here to do a haul. You remember me showing you when I was at Delizia? At Delizia, I got the ice cream. This is the ice cream that I got. It is strawberry ice cream. And I fell in love with their ginger cookies. Each cookie go for 5 bob. They are so sweet. Kindly try them once you go to Delizia, Kenya. Try them. You'll thank me later. Just next to Delizia, Kenya, there is Ephraim Farm or something. They sell eggs, and I got a tray of eggs. I'll transfer them to this tray. At Mukoyo Mini Market, I got this carton of Mountain Fresh Milk going for 470. This carton was going for 470. It has 21 pieces and it is 200 ml. The eggs were going for 350. Let me transfer these ones because I don't want accidents. Then I'll show you the rest. Thankfully, there were no accidents. Here is the tray of eggs. 30 of them going for 350, sorry. They were going for 350. I got a kg of tomatoes. It is a kg. Anyway, it looks smaller. Going for 40 shillings. The Kikuyu njogos. I don't know what we call them in Swahili or English, but I know them as njogo. A kg going for 150. Kamandes. Well, kamandes are ever expensive. This half kg going for 180. A kg was going for 350 mattress. Okay, I'm not so sure 3 something. 370 there about. And pishori rice, these are kg going for 180. I got Traha Premium Kafagara. I remember buying the other one the other day. I still got another one, and I know I don't cook chapatis as much, but in my defense, it was going for 150. They had offer. Plus, I also want to try and bake. How can you imagine When did things get too expensive? You see these ones? Fresh fry cooking oil, 1 liter. Prestige margarine. These 2 drinking chocolate and the milk, they are going for 960. I got 40 from 1,000. From 1,000 bob, I got 40 shillings exchange. Where? Dunia shuka nisimame kidogo nipumzike. I also got this curtain. From the same person I got the brown one from. It was going for 500 shillings. I think it's kind of cute. I think it's cute. I want to put it on my living area window. Hey, fruits are ever expensive, and especially the grapes. I don't know why grapes are ever this expensive. These ones were going for 250. Where? Apples, it was going for 35 bob, and the oranges going for 35 shillings. Imagine the 8 of them going for 280. Hi, I lost my... This is Papino. I also bought some ginger and turmeric. I don't know. I think I've left it wherever I bought it. And now I don't even think the person is going to remember when I go there next time. I don't know why I forgot. Yeah. Anyway, that's all that I got for today. All of these, let's do the maths. These and these were going for 530, 15 bob, and the ginger that I forgot were going for 35 bob. How much is that? Do your math. These ones, 180 plus 150 plus 180. Do the math again. This one from the supermarket were going for 960. These were going for 55 shillings. 40 shillings the tomatoes. And the curtain 500. How much is that? How much? Imagine just this. Just here. 3,000 and something. Almost 4,000. Without including things to do with maize flour, sugar, tea leaves, coffee, meat. Enough fruits to take me for a whole month. The greens. Potatoes. I'll never judge anybody who says that they spend more than 10,000 to do monthly shopping, no. Because, see, my vinegar is also almost over. And I did get vinegar as well. I want to bake cake. My yeast is almost over. I wanted to get a bigger cooking oil, but I didn't want to overstretch myself. Hey, anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm grateful to God that I can afford whatever I got today. And I have a roof over my head. I'm not going naked, all that. You want to thank God for that, and I'm in good health. But I'm feeling quite dizzy, so I won't talk to you again. Let me just sit down, take some water, and hope that I'll be well. See you later. Here is my dinner on Wednesday. I'm having the leftover ugali, leftover chicken, and some fried eggs and broccolis. I fry my eggs first with oil. Then after that, I fry the onions, tomatoes, whatever ingredients I want to add. Then I add my cooked, already fried eggs. I don't like the way most of us do cook our eggs. I feel like there is like a taste, there is like a smell with it that I don't like. I don't know what happened with my socket. So my ugali is not warm. Don't know what happened, but it suddenly went off. I'll probably have an electrician come check it out. Yep. I'll have dinner, watch a movie as I do some maize. You know the drill already, so I don't have to mention it. Then possibly call it a night. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm also well. My name is Caroline Kihugu, and this is Carol on the Move YouTube channel. I felt the need of reintroducing the channel in the middle of the vlog. Anyway, I'm here because I want to try baking again. The last time I tried it, it was a total mess. So I want to try it again. And because there is a background noise, I'm a song, and I don't want to have a copy strike or copyright, I'll just go forward and do the thing. Here, I have the Prestige. I've already melted it. The Prestige margarine because I don't have butter. I have milk. I have eggs. I have Gafagara maize flour. This is my mixing bowl. I have dry yeast. Of course, I have sugar. Let me measure. The last time I did add like very little sugar, only to realize that it was tasteless because I didn't add enough sugar. Today I'm going to cook from the sitting room because my socket spoiled last night as I was warming food. I think I mentioned that. This should be enough, I guess. I don't know how to measure them. We are just going to go with what my brain tells me. I'm going to add two eggs today. Java, tunywe kahawa, tukizuba duba, eh. Don't follow me for baking tips. I'm not a professional baker. I'm just doing it as a hobby and something I want to incorporate in my lifestyle. I want to know how to bake. I should get kitchen scissors. Raga, if you see this, consider girl here. I'm just going to use 1 cup of wheat flour, all purpose, home baking wheat flour. I'm preheating the what do we call it? The cooker at 180 degrees. What? Almost forgot about it. Hey, where am I forgetting things? I'm going to add the strawberry essence. I'm not a very big fan of vanilla. I don't know how much I should add. I don't know how much I should add. I think I like it. I think I like it. Finally, our cake is ready. As you can see, the fork is dry. So I'm just going to let it like cool down. Then we can do a taste test. You know how it tastes, if we flopped or we made something. I hope it's not poisonous. As long as it doesn't kill me, I think it's edible. So yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for it to cool as I go by my work. For the day. So I'll see you once it's cooled and tell you like how it tastes. Can't wait. Hi, good morning, wonderful people of the internet. Today is on Friday and here's my breakfast. I'm having juice, grapes and pancake. Yep, that's going to be my breakfast. Then I step out. I'll see you later. Hi, good morning. Today's on Saturday. Yep, and there was tree planting at Kero Technical College. That's why I wanted to go. It was supposed to start at 7:15 at Ihura Stadium, but I didn't intend to go to Ihura. I wanted to go to the school, college. I was supposed to be there at 9, but it's 10. Anyway, I overslept. And anyway, without too much talking, let me step out. Here's my outfit of the day. I have this hat on because it is so sunny. I have a green tea. I have this black body shapers. And I have these shoes, black Balenciaga. I know they're out of fashion, but I'm still wearing them because I bought it with my own money and there's no way I'm wasting money. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.
By someone who came before you. But saizi nani ana enjoy matunda ya huo mti? Ni wewe. Even the fruit trees that you have at home, mangoes, avocados, all those. So let's do what we are doing to ensure that the generations that come after us enjoy what we leave behind. Normally we say, how many billion trees? 15 billion trees By which year? 2032. Okay? So miti, and we know, I cannot overemphasize on the benefits of trees. We know miti ndio inasaidia mvua, and I normally say our God is a God of order. Vile Mungu alikuwa ameumba hii dunia, sisi wenyewe, whatever we are having to deal with now, the climate change that we are combating, nani ametuletea? Ourselves. Yes? Ni sisi wenyewe. The way God had created the earth, if we have
to disaster management and response, it is our business. Sawa. In brief, that is what we do. And that is what we are mandated by the Kenyan Constitution to do across the county. My names are Malcolm Kanyoko. I'm the county coordinator, Kenya Red Cross, supporting Nyeri and Murang'a counties. And before I proceed, allow me to give
good
all the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Naitwa Mama Mazingira Gladys, na tukiwa pale bunge, mimi ni assistant vice chair. Mimi ni vice chair wa environment, na pia mimi ni ambassador wa kujituma. Ambassador wa nini? Pia wewe ningependa vile tulifundishwa hapa na mtu wa neema, ukuwe ambassador wa environment. Kila mtu ikuwe jukumu lake. Na siku ya leo kama tumekuja kusherehekea hii Climate Action Week, ninauliza action ya kwanza ambayo tumefanya ni gani? Tumepanda mti. Na huo mti tumepanda, hii jua yenye iko is very hot. Na ningesihi hawa wana Kiharu, tukiteremka hivi nimeona kuna manyua ya ng'ombe, tunaweza kuweka hiyo manyua kidogo na kufanya mulching, sababu tumesema mti sio kupanda, ni kukuza mti. Ndio sana tuweze kufanya hiyo, tumesema kusustain. Hiyo mti muangalie vizuri, uweke maji na uweke mulching.